Welcome to the Vietnam Job Market Update Report by VSHR Pro Academy. Here is the job market update of the first week in July 2022. Through the job market report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. In this new month, although the technology industry has been the highest, it has still been lower than 600 positions and there has been an increase of software compared with last week. The second places has been marketing ads, banking, FB, and finance. In the technology industry, software has climbed from 334 to 517 positions and reached the first place in the chart. However, there has been a downward trend of IT and the internet. The data of the internet has a sharp decline from 373 to 199 positions and IT has dropped from 558 to 429 this week. Besides that, the business has been focused on seeking middle seniors with 159 in IT, 312 in software and 68 in internet. In this week, finance and banking has had a downward trend, insurance has had an upward trend. The open positions of finance has had a slight decrease from 157 to 135. Besides that, banking has declined 10 from 144 to 134 positions. However, insurance has gone up to 74 positions. This week, finance and insurance need more staff at the associate level, while banking focused on seeking middle senior level. Commercial real estate, construction and real estate all have had downward changes this week. Real estate has declined from 77 to 68 positions. Commercial real estate suddenly dropped from 44 to 31 positions and construction has had a sharp decrease from 25 to 7. Moreover, they need more staff on both middle seniors and associate level. The FB and food production industry has had a downward trend too, with a drop from 159 to 142 of FB and food production has just opened 60 positions. Both industries still focus on recruiting at the middle senior level. In the last group, there has been a slight increase of consumer electronics and retail, while consumer goods and fashion has had a downward trend. Retail has climbed from 93 to 120 positions, consumer electronics has increased 6 positions and made out 29 positions. Consumer goods has had a slight decline from 80 to 64 and fashion has reached out 31. And they need more staff at middle senior level and associate level. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam Job Market Update Report.